Let us now summarize the result for all four parabolas. So in the summary, we will talk about parabola, its focus, directrix of the parabola, the axis of the parabola. Notice that axis of the parabola is also called axis of symmetry sometimes. And we will talk about latus rectum. So first parabola is y square is equal to 4ax. Focus is a comma 0. Directrix is x equals to minus a. The axis is the x-axis because focus lies on it, and latus rectum is 4a. Now we talk about second, y square is equal to minus 4ax. Focus is minus a comma 0. Directrix is x equals to plus a. Symmetry is x-axis and latus rectum is 4a. Then we talk about x square is equal to 4ay. Focus is 0 comma a. Directrix is y equals to minus a. The axis is the y-axis because focus lies on it, and latus rectum is 4a. Then we talk about x square is equal to minus 4ay. Focus is 0 comma minus a. Directrix is y equals to a. The symmetry axis or axis of parabola is y, and latus rectum is 4a. So let us talk about some examples. So say you are given a parabola y square is equal to 4x. So you can write it as 4 times 1 times x. Now it looks like the first parabola given to us. Yeah, y square equals to 4ax. So a is 1. So the focus is given as a comma 0. So now we are talking about the first parabola. I've just checked it. So focus is 1 comma 0. Directrix, you can see the first row, x equals to minus a. So it should be x equals to minus 1. And the latus rectum is 4a. So that would be 4 times 1, 4. So let us see how it looks like. Let us draw the figure. This is how it looks like. This is the focus is right here at 1 comma 0. This is the directrix, x equals to minus 1. So directrix is in purple, parabola is in red. So notice that this length is 2, this length is 2. You can see directly from the graph. So you can see latus rectum is 2 plus 2, 4. So you can stop your video here and look at the graph more closely. Now we discuss another example. Say the vertex of the parabola is given as 0, 0 and focus is 0, 2. Now if the focus is 0, 2, you can immediately see that a is equal to 2. Now you go through the list of parabolas and you see the parabola in third row satisfies our condition. This one right here. Yeah, so this is what we will copy. So you see, you write x square is equal to 4ay. So notice that the focus lies on the y-axis and the equation is from the third row, x square is equal to 4ay. So just plug in the value of y. So you get x square is equal to 8y. So this is the equation of the parabola. Now we talk about another example. Say parabola is symmetric about the y-axis. So since it is symmetric about the y-axis, we see in the axis column and we know that the parabola in row 3rd and row 4 are the only one which are important here. So say a parabola is symmetric about the y-axis and passes through the point 2, -3. So the possible equations are, again as I said before, row 3 and row 4, precisely because in the axis column they both have y-axis. So you have to talk about either x square equals to 4ay or x square is equal to -4ay. So we have to decide between these two. But notice that the y coordinate is negative. The y coordinate is -3. So the parabola passes through 2, -3, and the y coordinate is negative, that it is -3. On the other hand, you know that x square is positive. So to make left hand side positive, we have to have negative y in the right hand side. So because only then x square would be positive. You see the negative sign in front of 4 will cancel out with the negative sign of the y coordinate. So you plug in the values. 2 square would be equal to -4 times a times -3. So this would immediately imply a equals to 1/3 as 4 cancels out from both sides. Now we plug it into our equation. X square is equal to -4ay. So instead of a you put 1/3 and you put y as such. Now we just simplify. This will give us 3x square is equal to -4y, or 3x square plus 4y equals to 0.